Welcome back to the van build from my favorite place in the universe, Lowe's. This might be a polarizing topic. Actually, we know it's a polarizing topic. We are going to start with some insulation today, and basically what we've come up with is we've masked everything and we're gonna spray foam it. It's just what we've decided to do. Doesn't mean that you can't decide something else or believe in something else. That's just what we're doing, right? Oh, why are you always trying to sneak up? You know I'm gonna move.
No, I was trying to come in this side. Chase has been working.
So we're gonna start with one kit. Likely we'll need another, but that's okay. We could have done foam board. It would have been way cheaper, but at the same time the foam board is very squeaky, and we know already we don't want that because this van had some foam board insulation when we first bought it.
Yeah, and down the road it was like...
And I can't handle that. So we also looked at Havelock wool. It's a really good insulator, and it has a lot of properties that make it pretty nice. So it was a very viable option, and enough to do the van was going to be like $400, and then shipping was almost as much as the wool product itself. So it went from like $500 or $600 to
like,
almost $1,000 shipped, and I just can't jive with that. That doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, so we decided to go for the 320, we said?
Yeah.
We spent 320 for the kit to spray foam ourselves. I say ourselves, but it's Chase. I was gonna get another suit to help, but he said, no, you don't need to do it. So
likely we may need another kit, but that's okay. That's still cheaper than every other alternative that we've looked at.
So just wish us good luck and see how this goes.
Lego.
You getting ready?
Yep.
Spray foam time, baby.
Yep. I need to get a mask.
You look like a condom.
And gloves.
Let me see your face. You have a booger. That looks fun.
Yep. Okay.
You ready? Tell me your opinion about spray foam.
I really like it.
It dried pretty quick.
Yeah. I really like it. We need a little bit more.
For what?
I want to go back in on some of these cavities here, and a little bit more up in the top, and a little right here, and on the sides. But aside from that, we're good. Then we could just finish the top with spray foam too.
Yeah. Cool. Let's go.
Alright.
Second kid of the day. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm feeling good. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
This is turning out way better than I would have imagined, and I'm actually kind of glad that we decided to spray foam now.
Yeah. maybe you cannot hear us because of all the things going on. Someone's mowing their yard.
What are you doing?
I'm sweating. How do you feel about the spray foam?
So I know it's a controversial topic, like I said before. I really like it.
It wasn't as hard as I thought. We might have to shave,
We'll shave down a couple of spots.
but it's not bad at all. We ended using 2 kits
Yep.
from Lowe's and 4.
Cans of great stuff.
Yep.
Which we may go and get a little bit more just to fill in some additional gaps. And then we're looking at alternative means of insulating the back doors and the sliding door. Just because those have cables and mechanical pieces that we don't want to solidify in rigid foam board. So
I think we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow we're getting some windows.
So that's going to be fun. It's all coming together very quickly now.
Yeah, so great weather today. We were able to do a ton of things. Hopefully tomorrow will not be the exception, but we're gonna go and make some dinner.
I'm hungry.
Let's go and have margaritas.
Oh snap, don't tempt me with a good
Let's
time.
go. Oi. How do you close these?
That one. Give it a pull. There we go.
Close yours.
No, that one has to go first. I'm not too worried about a ton of this because we'll have reflectix over it. I just want to get some of these big bulbous pieces.
Like for example here.
Yeah.
Friends, let me update you. The windows will not be here today. The batteries will not be here today. Chase shaved some of the extra of the insulation, and now we're gonna work with what we got. Reflectix. We're gonna try to put it on top of the insulation we already put. We're gonna use it as a vapor barrier. What is the Reflectix for?
Okay, so we're about to cover the insulation with Reflectix. Reflectix on top of insulation acts as a vapor barrier, which keeps moisture from the inside reaching the walls,
That's what
creating
I said.
oxidation.
That's exactly what I said.
You said it absorbs the moisture.
Well, it kind of absorbs it. Let's put this up.
Let's go.
Let's go. You remember how we said it was constantly raining? It's very hot. It's like over 85 degrees. And we're hot. It's like pool weather. Margaritas on the deck weather. I'm wondering what's the weather where you are. Comment down below. Let me know. What are you doing now?
I'm taping it with foil tape to make it airtight, as airtight as possible at least. I think this is all I'm gonna do today. I'm almost completely finished with the Reflectix, and I'm gonna have to open up the second roll. It's just me in here at the moment, so I am really not feeling it. But we're almost finished with insulation and Reflectix. Pretty cool. I'm tired. It's been a hot one today, so I think I'm gonna clean everything up and call it a day. And get back at it tomorrow. I think it's gonna be a little cooler tomorrow, so that's good news. See you then.